I'm Ava Proper. I'm Mia Goots.
I'm Andrea Andreva.
I'm Izzy Clary. Welcome to our AP Lang Synthesis Essay Project. What is a synthesis essay? Synthesis is the process of researching a topic in order to fully develop a position in an essay. In the AP test, you will be given documents to research and analyze to develop an argumentative essay. Parts of the synthesis essay includes an introduction, which has a thesis statement at the end, at least one paragraph of evidence. You can do 2 body paragraphs of evidence if you have time. You must have a counter-argument paragraph and a conclusion. Okay, guys, so first you have to start with the research phase. When researching, you want to know what you're looking for. You want to know specifically what you're going to write about, and then you're going to look for that. Then once you know what you're looking for, you have to ask questions about your topic and identify exactly what you're looking for in the text. You also want to look for a variety of sources. Try to use multiple sources that present multiple viewpoints.
Hi, I'm Christina. Don't forget to analyze your sources. If you're researching pro-life versus pro-choice, you'll want to take note of background and belief systems, as well as potential life experiences. Thank you, and enjoy this cameo appearance.
Make sure you organize the information you find. If you're researching the best color, you might put evidence for each color's superiority in a separate spot. But most importantly, don't forget to cite. We explain how to cite later in the video. And now for the introduction. How you write an introduction. You have to have a hook first. It's an attention grabber. It reels them in. The second thing you want to have is some background, and that's information to introduce the reader to the topic. The third is your thesis. This is the most important part of your essay, and this is the argument that you will make. So you write a thesis by 1, making a clear argument, and then the second thing is you have to choose between a closed or open thesis statement, and that depends on what you're arguing and how you want to write. The third is how you summarize the claims that will be made. And so for the body paragraphs, you only need 1, but you might have 2. So you start with an introductory sentence about your evidence, and then you use the ICE method, and that is introduce, cite, and explain. And that is for your quotes and evidence. The third step is providing a transitive phrase into the next piece of evidence, and then you will repeat. So citing your evidence, you will use the MLA, which stands for Modern Language Association form. Then you will have the author's last name or the source on the AP exam, and that goes in parentheses after the quote. The citation is outside of the quotes, but the period goes after the parentheses. This is an example of a correct way to cite your sources, and this is from an actual AP exam that I found on the internet. Libraries are finding creative ways to meet demands. Source C, as you can see, the source is in parentheses and outside the quotes, but the period is after it. Next up, we have the counter-argument. The steps of the counter-argument. Step 1, identify an opposing argument. Step 2, ensure the opposing argument is easily refutable. Step 3, using evidence, explain how the counter-argument is an incorrect view of the issue. The parts of the counter-argument. The opposing argument. You must identify an opposing argument. It doesn't necessarily need to be the opposite argument. The refutation. Explain how the counter-argument is actually incorrect, backing this with the evidence, which is support of the refutation of the counter-argument with evidence. An example, although some believe that smoking is a personal choice and should not be controlled by the government, smoking has been shown to link to cancer and a multitude of other diseases. Therefore, it should be regulated to ensure the safety of all citizens. This paragraph starts out acknowledging the other argument, but then it follows by refuting showing how smoking has been shown to link to diseases, which shows how the opposite argument is incorrect.
Now on to the conclusion. For the conclusion, you first need to restate your argument, which is essentially your thesis in the intro, but in different words. Then, summarize and relate all your points together. Don't just state your ideas, connect them to the big picture. End with why this topic is important. Think existentially. Try to leave the reader with a long-lasting impression. This is an example of a good conclusion. You can pause the video if you want to read this.
Next up, we have sources. Using sources. After you decide your position, use the sources given as evidence to support your argument. Explain your quotes and connect them back to your point. Show how they prove your argument. You can use the ICE method for this. Your sources are meant to enhance, not replace your argument. You must analyze and explain your quotes and sources and why you chose them. Don't just write down a quote and expect the reader to know what you mean. Now for some do's and don'ts. If you have time left, do look over your essay. But don't, despite the time constraint, rush through it.
Do completely and thoroughly explain your sources. Don't waste too much time if you get stuck on something.
Do plan out your time, but don't plagiarize. Thank you for joining us for our ASMR AP Lang project.